Today I'm trying out a little experiment here in Chiang Mai. If you've traveled here, you'll definitely relate to this. The traffic light right in front of Maya Mall takes forever. One day, I was sitting on the back of a grab bike waiting at that exact light. It took so long that by the time I got back to my place, my skin had turned bright red and started itching like crazy. Ever since then, my skin has become super sensitive to sunlight. If it's exposed, it gets itchy and I have to apply ointment to calm it down. That's why I never leave the house in Thailand without long pants, arm sleeves, and a neck cover to block the sun. Anyway, I wanted to document exactly how long the wait is, but as you can see, it's pouring rain right now. I wanted to get a closer shot, but the downpour was so sudden that I'm just lucky I managed to set up my camera under this tree. I really wanted to get both the Maya Mall building and the traffic light in the frame, but honestly, this view has its own vibe. Plus, you can hear the rain, which is actually quite nice. Now you might be wondering, is this a 4-way, 5-way, or 6-way intersection? Well, the truth is, it's a pretty standard 4-way intersection. While the road toward the highway is a major one, the other three directions, Old Town, Chiang Mai University, and Nimmenhemen, are just standard 4-lane roads. There's no real reason for the wait to be this long, but for some reason, it's just brutally slow. On that note, I had such a funny experience yesterday. I was heading home after filming at a cafe and caught a grab bike, and we ended up waiting at a different red light. Suddenly, the driver said something to me, pulled over into a building right next to the traffic light, and just turned off the engine. I was so confused and asked him what he was doing. He told me, "The wait at this light is way too long, so I'm pulling into the shade for a bit. If we waited out there in the heat, you'd be miserable." I was honestly so surprised and touched by his thoughtfulness. It was such a unique, kind gesture, and it really made me realize just how long the signal wait times can be around here. It definitely left me with mixed feelings, partly amused, but mostly just really grateful for his care. Hold on, my recording just stopped before the light even turned green. It started pouring so hard that when I reached up to take out my Bluetooth earbuds to keep them dry, I accidentally triggered a gesture control on my device and stopped the recording. It had already been about 4 minutes, and the light still hasn't changed. So if we do the math, that means we're looking at a wait time of at least 4 minutes total, or even longer. Isn't that just unbelievable?